Alright y'all, me and the wife got a new event space venue opening up in sunny South Florida called CNG Events, located at 4770 Hollywood Boulevard in Hollywood, Florida. We'll be hosting weddings, birthdays, graduation parties, retirement parties, and any other shindig you can think of. Obviously, we got a lot of work to do, so let's get started. We already got our build out started, and it's time to pick out some flooring. Our venue is 3,000 square feet with a kitchenette, so let's head to Floor & Decor and do a little shopping. Flooring is one of those make or break things when it comes to an event space, so we set aside a nice chunk of our budget to get something nice. Of course, Aubrey had to tag along, but she said she ain't spending none of her money. The contractor we chose recommended Floor & Decor because they have a wide selection to choose from with reasonable prices, but this is still going to be pretty expensive. We're hoping to get a white porcelain tile look because we don't want to subject our clients to a certain color, as we want to assist them with their vision for their event, and this is what we're looking at. Let me know what y'all think and follow us for part 2 of this build out and your next event.